Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your CUBOT Tab 10. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here click and find Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real game. So go back, click on your profile picture, scroll down, move to the settings, family, and right here go for parental controls and either disable parental controls or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back and try finding this game again, it should be right here available for install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.